Did you know that women are gifted diamonds more often to celebrate milestones than for any other reasons? Birthdays, anniversaries, self-love moments, diamonds mark memories, not just occasions. Today, I'm unboxing something truly special from an online jewelry brand called JuryInspire. And this piece already feels like one of those forever moments. From the second that I opened the package, the presentation felt intentional, elegant, clean, and very, very thoughtful. This isn't just jewelry, it's an experience. This is the diamond necklace. Look how the sparkle catches the light immediately. But what I really love the most is how refined it looks. It's delicate, yet it makes a statement. It's bold. This kind of necklace you can wear every day, but still feel dressed up when you do. The craftsmanship is beautiful. I like the setting, I like the shine, but I'm just not sure about how I like the way it actually sets right here on my neckline. But all in all, it still feels timeless, not trendy, which is exactly what I want in a diamond piece. Whether you're layering this with other favorites or letting it just shine on its own, this necklace truly elevates any look. And knowing that it comes from an online brand makes it even more impressive. JuryInspire really does deliver on the quality and the detail. Diamonds don't have to wait for someone else to give them to you. Sometimes the most meaningful pieces are the ones that you choose for yourself. So if you're looking for a gift that lasts, or if you're ready to treat yourself to something special, definitely check out JuryInspire. I'll have all the details linked below. So make sure to take a look and check out some of the favorites that other people have liked. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more unboxing and honest reviews, and let me know in the comments, do you prefer classic diamonds or modern designs? Because every woman deserves a little sparkle.